Now you put the other one.
Oops.
Am I in the picture? Isabel.
I really wish that other tree was over my way.
We'll go chop it down.
Yeah, get to work, Ty.
Whoa. More animals in there. Just kind of all over the place.
They're invisible.
Did you see the wolves? The wolves are up there. You're not tall enough to see them right now, though. Who's that?
Who's that?
Oh. No, really. Wolves.
Yeah. What does a wolf sound like, Isabel? Good girl. That's right.
She put on the witch hat the other day and she went.
You want to go check out some more animals?
Come on, Isabel. Let's go.
this way.
You want to sit? Oh. Or somebody pick you up.
Okay.
Oh, who's the biggest sucker?
No, she likes you the most, that's why.
Oh, that's what it is.
Oh, no, she moved too quick. Elusive.